Imagine this. You wake up on a Monday morning, but instead of opening your laptop and spending 8 hours just grinding away at your desk, you do something entirely different. In fact, your whole morning routine is about to get a massive upgrade. You simply give your AI one incredible command while you're sitting there eating breakfast. You just say it out loud, launch my business for today. That's it. That is the entire kickoff to your work week. And what happens next? Well, within seconds, dozens of specialized AI agents start working simultaneously on all these complex tasks. One agent dives in and checks your emails, another instantly answers customer questions with perfect accuracy, a third is over there creating your social media content, while another designs your advertisements. You've got one analyzing competitors, another actually negotiating with your suppliers. You even have agents writing software and testing it for bugs. Meanwhile, a finance agent is tracking your revenue, and a legal agent is reviewing contracts, all at the exact same time. So, by the time you actually finish your breakfast, an entire company has already been running at top speed for hours. Now, I know it sounds completely unbelievable, right? Like pure sci-fi. But this fully automated digital workforce is exactly the future that major technology companies are trying to build right now. Let's break down why this is so fundamentally different from what we're used to. See, today's AI usually works one task at a time. You ask a question, it gives an answer, and then it just waits. It needs you for the next step. But AI agents are proactive. Instead of waiting for instructions every single minute, they can actually plan ahead. They remember your overarching goals, make decisions, and complete multiple connected tasks entirely on their own. Now, imagine hundreds of these agents working together. Each one has a different responsibility, and they actually communicate with each other. Together, they function like an entire digital workforce. Think about how a real company operates today. Marketing talks to sales. Sales works with customer support. Finance communicates with management. Engineers collaborate with designers. Now, replace every single one of those departments with specialized AI agents. One agent completes its job and automatically passes the result right to the next. The entire workflow just keeps humming along with practically zero human involvement. This could transform nearly every industry. We're talking enormous possibilities here. A small online business could operate around the clock without ever hiring a large team. A software startup could develop products incredibly fast. Researchers could coordinate thousands of experiments simultaneously. Hospitals could automate all that crushing administrative work, finally giving doctors more actual time with patients. And scientists? They could process massive amounts of data in a few hours instead of months. It's a staggering leap in productivity. But, we have to ask the hard questions. Because relying on this kind of interconnected, autonomous system introduces some very serious challenges. Specifically, what actually happens if one of these specialized AI agents makes a mistake? Think about it. What if it shares incorrect information with every other agent? A single, tiny error wouldn't just stop at one task. Because they are all communicating instantly, that error could rapidly cascade and spread across the entire automated system before a human ever even notices. Then there's the terrifying security risk. Imagine hackers gaining control of this AI workforce. Instead of just attacking one computer or compromising one account, they could manipulate hundreds of connected digital workers all at once. They would basically be hijacking an entire automated company simultaneously. Because of these massive, unprecedented risks, experts are focusing incredibly heavily on AI safety, constant monitoring, and robust human oversight. Honestly, as we build these systems, trust is going to become just as important as intelligence. It won't matter how smart the AI is if we can't trust it to operate securely. Which naturally leads us to the other giant elephant in the room, the future of our own employment. There is a lot of anxiety here, and rightfully so. If AI agents are suddenly capable of handling all this routine office work, what exactly happens to all those jobs? Well, if we look back, history suggests that automation removes certain tasks while creating entirely new industries. Think about the internet. It absolutely eliminated certain careers, right? But it also created web developers, app designers, cybersecurity experts, content creators, and digital marketers, jobs that literally didn't exist before. It's highly likely that AI agents will follow that exact same pattern. So tomorrow's most valuable professionals probably won't be performing every single task themselves. Instead, they're going to manage teams of AI agents. We are looking at a fundamental shift in what working actually means. It's shifting away from doing the work and moving toward directing the work. Think of it exactly like a movie director. The director doesn't operate every single camera on set. They don't sit in the editing bay and cut every scene, and they definitely don't compose the musical score. Instead, they coordinate a bunch of talented specialists toward one unified goal. In the future, business leaders are going to coordinate intelligent AI systems in much the same way. And to do that, you'll need specific leadership skills, the ability to ask the right questions, set crystal clear goals for your AI workforce, verify the results they bring back, and make the high-level strategic decisions based on their output. Those abilities may become the absolute most valuable skills in the AI era. Because if you can master those skills, we are entering a world where productivity could increase so dramatically, it's almost hard to comprehend. A single entrepreneur working alone might accomplish what once required an entire company of people. Small teams are going to easily compete with giant corporations, and innovation is going to happen faster than ever before. So as we wrap up this explainer, let's remember that your most productive coworker in the years ahead might not even be sitting in the office beside you. It might be a seamless team of intelligent digital agents working silently in the background, 24 hours a day, executing your vision. And guys, this incredible transformation, it is only just beginning. Which leaves us with this final massive thought to ponder. Will the future of work really be about humans competing against AI? Or will it be about humans finally learning to lead it? Thanks for tuning in, and next time we'll dive right back in to explore another one of the biggest questions of our century.